Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, TacticFreak. Let's try maybe a C3 Sicilian as a surprise weapon instead of my usual Smith. Knight A3 I think is a bit of a tricky one. Well, I'm hoping it's a tricky one. On the bishop. There's Knight A7 as well on the cards. Now you can take care. Maybe there's Rook G1. There's a bit of pressure there. And I've got Bishop G2 after that. So that's interesting. There's Knight A7 here. B5 Queen A6. Knight A7. It's crazy. But maybe it's okay in the circumstance. Queen F3, Rook G1. D4 still get developed. Oh, it's threatening B5. Hold on. As bishop takes B5 there. A takes, knight takes. No, I probably should take this before I get in big trouble. He's got this rook swinging in. So I think I've got to be able to play bishop E3. The rook's pinned, but yeah, okay. Bishop E3 and try and castle. It's bishop G2 now. Has he just missed bishop G2? It's a bit of a backfire on C6, isn't it? That looks like he's missed that tactic, and yep, interesting. That's pretty bad. Yeah, this just looks really bad.
Check. Check.
This king's getting kicked around. There's bishop F4. Queen D5. We're just taking here. We'll take the queens off. With loads of passed pawns over there. Well, there's Rook G5, maybe even more fun for Queen C5. There's Bishop G5 first for Queen C5. Check. King F7. And there's all sorts. I'll just get the queens off. Probably all sorts of. What about Queen C7? And then there's Rook G5. There's checks here, Bishop G5. There's too many choices. Do I go for an ending? There's loads of passed pawns there.
Check.
Let's get things off. Let's get these pawns going. I mean, I think that shouldn't be that hard, should it? With these pawns coming up. A3, C4, that sort of thing. And bishop D4 here to gain a tempo.
Check.
Check. Knight 3 Rook F3. Do I need to stop that? Maybe just in case. E5. I want to play A3 and C4 and get these pawns going with B5 next. Basically, that was the plan. I thought these pawns are pretty good. Yeah. I'll give him that. Just accelerate this c4. So I get tempo on his king potentially, with b5 coming up. And this is what I thought, these pawns are just so good. Surely. Yep. What does he do? I can't see it. I can't see it. These pawns are just going to gain momentum. He's going to have to give up his knight. Maybe he takes here and tries to use his pawns later. Maybe I should have played h3. Can I not mate him with the rooks here when he sacrifices the knight? I can't see it. I can't see what he does here. He's going to use all his time thinking about it. Seems quite optimal, even if he plays... No, that's not pins. Knight's protecting the rook. I'll play b5. Get things going. Bishop h2, b5. Takes. So he moves his king there. There's c6 check. Oh, he's resigned it. Oh, he's disconnected and forfeited. Yeah, okay. Surprise opening. Got some venom to it seems. So knight a7 is what the engine likes. Wow. Knight takes c6. Yes, it's a mistake, isn't it? Yeah, rook g1. I'm just setting up bishop g2. It's just horrible. It's more than +6.
Check.
What was the most incisive move here?
Check.
Yeah.
Check.
I was looking at this briefly. Bishop e3. Why on earth is bishop e3 a move?
Check.
And taking here on to try and forcibly win the pawn. I see. Yes, I can see the logic of that now. Bishop e3 just to win that pawn. If taking here, maybe the e5 square is useful. No.
Check.
So the way I played it was +3 anyway. It was pretty strong position with those pawns. They're just ready to roll. Yeah, so it's +4 check.
Check.
Yeah, I think the engine's really assessing the pawn momentum quite well here. That would have to give up a piece.
Check.
And I think it's pretty dire after that. Okay, yeah, rook down. I don't think the pawn's going to come that quickly. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.